Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I'm here to continue the How to Start a Print on Demand series. If you have been tuning into my challenge for the past couple of months, you've seen me create different series each month. So the next couple of months, we do have a few more videos in the How to Start a Print on Demand series. And I wanted to make sure that I provided an extra resource to you guys. So if you click down in the description box, you will get a free print on demand checklist. That's right, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Make sure you click the link in my description box, put a 0 in the box where it asks for price. If you would like to leave a tip, I love $5 tips. So go ahead and put a 5 in that box and then you go ahead and check out, okay? Also, I added more links in the description box for more freebies that you can grab that's on my Gumroad. And if you just want to grab a different course, remember you can always check out my Gumroad courses at www.gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith.
The art of where we are going to set up a t-shirt and a notebook. So in the design lab, in your back, basically in your dashboard, you are going to hit design lab, and all of the tabs which they have items in is going to show up here. So we want to go in the clothing tab, and we're going to scroll down to the unisex tee. All right, so we're going to click that one. Here it tells you the sizes that you need. And I already actually have it ready and done and downloaded in Canva, but I am going to show you guys that. So you're going to hit create so you can design your tee in the design lab. And that's going to come up. I am not a big fan of their design lab, but they say they have upgraded it and changed it and added new things to it. But we shall see. To me, it looks like the same old, same old. Here in Canva, I had already went in and designed my shirt. It says the unisex tee 1800 by 2400 for autumn wear. I downloaded that in a PNG with a transparent background, okay? So I have that already ready for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit upload images. And then I'm gonna hit upload. And here it says, sorry guys. What do you want? Do you want vinyl? This is new because they have not done this before. It did not ask me if I wanted vinyl, and it did not ask me, whether I wanted DTG print. So I'm going to choose DTG print. That is amazing that that is now an option, whether you want vinyl or DTG. So I'm going to go ahead and hit upload again and upload my image, my Dear Military Spouse logo for the shirt. I'm keeping this simple, guys, by also promoting my Dear Military Spouse brand. So if there's any military spouses out there, make sure you check out themilitaryspouse.com, okay? So you have these tools over here that help you to fit it to the template and help you make sure that your design is centered. Also here, you can put a design on the back, and you remember here is telling you DTG, and I think this button behind here is the vinyl one, okay? So far that looks good. I'm not putting anything on the back. That is the front of the design. And it says okay, so maybe I need vinyl. Let's see if I can change it. Because it's saying my DPI is low. So I'm gonna go back and upload my image again. So I guess that's something good to keep in mind. If you want to do DTG, you need to make sure that your DPI is more than 100, okay? All right, so I finally got all of my green checks here, and I did go back to the DTG, so maybe it was just an issue right quick, but I did re-download it and re-upload it, and we are good to go. So I can see my image here. I can do the 3D preview here, and I can look at the shirt. And now I'm going to just go ahead and save my product. So the DPI had no issue. But I guess it maybe was a glitch. So now it's generating my design, and we are going to go to the next step of basically naming the product and all of the other great stuff that comes along with designing. And no, I am not a graphic designer. I just enjoy playing around with text-based designs and pairing fonts. So, okay, so here's another thing. Print placements may vary due to the nature of DTG and vinyl printing. Some small print flaws are acceptable. So this is just click here to create more info. So they have a few shirts, designs with the people, really nice mock-ups here. So I'm just gonna design this, name this Dear Military Spouse logo tee, like always, and I'm gonna hit save. So now that I'm seeing it, I do see some changes to the designer, and I take back what I said about outerwear. So I can admit when I am wrong. So here is the part where it goes, you can order this product, you can push it to your cart, or you can go to the photo lab. So right now we're just gonna keep designing, and we're gonna go ahead and design something else. So here we're gonna go ahead and hit the drop down menu, and we're gonna go to books. So I do have the large notebook information ready already. So it's the large one, and you can customize the first page, but the rest of the pages are just lined dot grid or something else. I forgot. Blank. Yeah, it's something. It's three different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and create new. That's gonna come up, and then I'm gonna go here to the first page. And with the first page, I'm just gonna do a black page with my white logo on the front. Here, and that'll be my front page. So I named it outerwear first page, and it's 2250 by 3075 pixels. And I think it did tell you in inches as well if that was something that you wanted to do, but I'm going to do it in PNG, and I'm just going to download it, not with a transparent background, but because I wanted that high quality that a PNG gives. That's what I did. So done with that one. Going to cancel that out. And then I have my front cover, which I'm going to go bold here, and I am going to do a yellow cover because I've used yellow before. So I'm going to use a yellow cover, and a tip that I always use to kind of make sure I get the center and I settle things correctly, I just look up a line and I break my cover in half, and that line represents the spine, so I can line things up to the best of my ability. I'm not saying this is 100% accurate. This is just something I do to make sure things are the correct size. So I'm just going to move that around till I find the correct middle. Then I'm going to go to the uploads, and I'm going to take my black logo, and I'm going to put that on the front of this journal. Space it out. And that looks about, right there. Okay, so then I'm going to delete the line, or you can bring it all the way down to transparency if you want to use this template again. And then I'm going to download this. It is the outerwear cover, 4650 by 3070 pixels. And I'm going to download that without a transparent background as well, because I like that crispy look, okay? So now we're back in the design lab, and I am going to make sure I click that I want the large notebook here. So then I'm going to go ahead and, says the cover, I'm going to go ahead and upload my cover. So hit upload. And this one I've had issues with in the past, so let's just pray that I don't run into any issues uploading this here. If I do, I'm going to charge that to the game, okay? I'm going to charge it right on to the game. All right, so here is the cover, and this is what I'm talking about. I be having all these issues. Okay, let's see. Maybe not. Looks pretty good. What y'all think? So it says not, oh, the first page, because I didn't do the first page yet. But here is the front cover. That's what it looks like. I look like I could probably move that over just a tad bit, but looks really good. So then we're going to hit the first page. And that's the only reason we don't have our third check, because we don't have the first page up yet. We're going to upload that, and we're going to put that black page on there. We're going to grab that from our downloads. All right, so that's the first page, and I'm going to hit open. And then once that comes up, we're going to click it to upload, and then we should get all of our green checks, which tells us we can go. So, of course, why does this page want to show a low DPI? Should I go back? So if it's not one thing, it's another with this. So I am going to probably do a JPEG. Let me go back to my Canva. Always one thing or another with outerwear. The cover went perfectly fine, and now the first page has a low DPI. And I don't even know what these tools are for over here, but I clicked on it to see if that would help me do something, but obviously not. So I'm gonna pause and then check on that. All right, y'all. This is why I cannot stand this, because I go from 1 minute to having all of, the DPIs in check, to some not doing, but so far it looks good. So I'm gonna hit save product. The one that I did upload, the black one, was fine, but I did go back and upload it as a JPG. So this is why I always have the drama with outerwear. And if you design in another thing, then that's fine too. It may not give you issues, but that's just my issue that I run into with Canva. This is the large journal. This is the back. This is that first page. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. But nevertheless, we got it done. And yeah. So that was the notebook and the t-shirt. Remember, I have issues sometimes uploading and putting things together as well. So don't get frustrated. Don't give up. I'm going to hit exit design lab. And it said, yes, I do want to leave because I want to go ahead and look at the products. But yeah, it happens. It happens with me. And sometimes, we can't just give up like that, No need to just give up on it just because it didn't work the first time. You see, I gave it a break for a second so I can regroup and get my stuff together so that I could come back and say, okay, hey, this is what I did. If you run into this issue, this is how I solved it. And I think, let me see, what is it? I think I was supposed to save them. Let me see. I probably was supposed to hit save or something like that, but I didn't. Let's see. Oh, but this is another thing over here. Okay, so and where it says Dear Military Spouse over here, you can do your custom labels for your products. They do not sew them on certain stuff, but you can just go ahead and you can put your basically your template, your logo here. So it tells you the size. I'm gonna see if the size, one of those sizes work. It might be too big. Let's see. It may be too big if I try to put that on there. I don't even think I have it now. But yeah, you can put your logo on your products when they come, stickers and whatnot. Is what will show on there. So you just basically save that, and it's like your custom logo, your custom artist card where you can like write a note to your customers, and it's like a little pack-in thank you card. You can provide the sticker as well. You keep your address and info and how it ships from you, all in there as well. So that's another part of art aware. But yeah, I think I was supposed to hit sell the product or something. I always forget that part. But there are videos on how to like integrate everything together, how you integrate it with Etsy, and that is on the Art of Wear website. I just wanted to show you guys how to design a t-shirt and a journal and how to set up your account. anything and any other information that you need to know about outerwear. You can scour their blog, all their info. I think they have a YouTube channel as well, so you can check out their YouTube channel and read their blog posts and sign up for their email newsletter.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching How to Start a Print on Demand series. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all of the questions that you guys post if I do have an answer for it. And remember, you can check out my podcast at Coins and Connections Podcast, bit.ly/Coins and Connection. It is available on all open podcast platforms, and you can check out our Instagram page at coinsandconnections.com. If you want to check me out on Facebook, it's just at Cinquanta, or on Instagram at Cinquanta Cox-Smith. All right, so as always, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.